Hey guys, welcome to our short tour of the Amari Resort in Phuket. Today we'll be taking you around the hotel and we'll also give you a tour of our room. Right now we're on our way to the resort and let me tell you, the drive here is already giving us those vacation vibes. Amari's location is just perfect. It is right in the heart of Patong. So we finally made our way to Amari and now it's time to check in at the reception. Reception area is pretty open, large, well decorated and has plenty of seating areas to relax in while the official proceedings get finalized. The hotel also serves you with very refreshing welcome drinks as you wait. You literally even have a pool plus ocean view right from the reception, which is amazing. Amari has a really beautiful bar that's nestled among palm trees with an unbelievable ocean view. The bar offers both indoor and outdoor seating so you can enjoy while watching the sunset over Patong Bay. In case you get bored, you can always head to the lounge area to relax. It has a TV, small snacks and free Wi-Fi so you can get the most of relaxation before you unpack in your room. So we have just checked into our hotel Amari and we are very excited to begin our day, but first let me show you our room. So this is our room. It's a really big room with a separate living space and a bedroom with the bathroom attached. So far I love this room so much. There's a big TV, free snacks and a lovely sea view that I can enjoy it with as well. Moving on to the bedroom, I really love the interior and the warm aesthetics of the room, and funnily you have another TV here as well. The attached bathroom and shower space has everything that you could possibly need for your trip. There is a large fridge in the room for storing food and drinks, and they have already provided free drinks in the fridge, Sprite, Coke and a bunch of amazing fruit drinks and milk for us to enjoy. The hotel has provided an iron and iron board for us to use free of cost. They have also provided a proper induction toaster and electric kettle so that we can cook our own food and enjoy a hot drink whenever we like. Plus, you will also find a multitude of various cooking utensils in the drawers, and they have also provided a proper sink for cooking. The view from our room is so amazing that you can't really stop staring at it. Just like the drinks, the snacks in our room were free as well, so we just ended up trying some.
As you can see, it's authentic Thai snacks. The banana ones are really good.
Amari's property is so beautiful and lush with greenery. The space right outside our room is perfect for a lovely walk as it's a perfect blend of comfort and natural beauty. The hotel also offers a free buggy service to take you anywhere within the hotel premises. Right after reaching the entrance, you will find several cafes and restaurants just like 3 to 5 minutes walk away. The walk is incredibly scenic as well with beautiful sea views right beside you. This is the cafe that I would recommend and it's only 5 minutes from Amari. It serves delicious food that we really enjoyed. Also, if you're planning to go to Bangla Road, Amari is a very convenient place to stay as you can reach Bangla Road just by a 5-minute tuk-tuk ride. This is the outdoor dining spot which has a spectacular sea view. Amari's pool is simply breathtaking. You get an uninterrupted view of the sea while you swim or lounge by the water. There's also a separate kids pool and so it's perfect for families. Whether you're looking to relax or just take a refreshing dip, the poolside vibe here is unbeatable. There's another pool near the dining area which also offers a beautiful sea view. It's surrounded by several seating areas which is just perfect for relaxing with a book or just spending some time basking in the sun. There's also a cute little swing that you can enjoy while you're there. Indoors, there's a dedicated kids zone for your little ones, filled with a variety of games and toys, and it's the perfect space for your children to have fun and just stay entertained during your stay. We visited Thailand during the Halloween season, and so at the bar it was all getting decked up for the festivities. The spooky decorations really added to the fun atmosphere, making it a lively place to hang out. Amari also has its own little shopping area where you can find diving essentials, souvenirs, and all other travel necessities. It's super convenient for picking up any last minute needs. Amari also offers various water activities for their guests. You can enjoy activities like kayaking, diving, and also jet skiing on the resort's beachfront. Here's a small overall view of the amenities that you can expect at Amari. Amari has a spa with a variety of relaxing treatments, a well-equipped gym, a stunning swimming pool, including an infinity pool with breathtaking sea views. The resort features multiple dining options with both local and international cuisine, direct access to a private beach, and it also provides free Wi-Fi. Amari also provides assistance with booking of tours, activities, and also reservations. It has spaces for conferences, meetings, and events. It also provides laundry services, a tennis court, and also the transportation options like the buggy service that I have shown before. All in all, Amari is the best place to stay in Phuket in my opinion. It offers outstanding customer service and has everything that you can need while traveling. Plus, it is ideally located in the hub of Phuket, which is Patong, making it super easy to commute to other places. The beautiful property and exceptional services make the experience even better. The food here is also extraordinary, with great options for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians, and the hotel staff are always ready to help. Thank you for watching our Amari vlog, and until next time, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section below.